Here we are at Foxwoods, getting ready to check in. We have a nice little waterfall feature. Let's see outside where the pool is. The lobby's really pretty. Hi guys, we just got to our room in Foxwoods, so I want to give you a quick room tour. We could have upgraded for like $50 or $100 more, but I love this room. I don't think we even needed an upgrade, so I'm going to show you guys real quick. All right, so we came in this door right here. I have a full-length mirror here, and here is, I think, a king-size bed with a nice nightstand and plug. And look at how cool this is. The TV is like right here. We have this nice big long desk with some plugs down there, drinking water. Let's see, here is, look, a big window, a big natural light in the bathroom. There's the coffee maker and the hair dryer. Huge window. Look at this view we have just from the bathroom window. I haven't even gotten to the living area yet. Nice walk-in shower with a little seat and everything. And then we come out here, and here's the bed again with the big TV. And look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view. And up here, this is the zip line. So hopefully we'll get to see some people zip lining while we're here. And this is the other hotel over there. And you have the grounds. We're actually on the 22nd floor. I don't know if you could see it. Over there is where the pool is, but it's not filled. I don't think it's open yet. Here's the other nightstand, a little seating area and table. But this is like a corner room. Oh, I like that mirror too. Some art above the bed. Very cute. I like this a lot. So there we go. And then we're gonna have dinner at Hell's Kitchen in a few hours. We're just gonna relax now though, so wanted to give you guys a quick tour. Oh, and then there's a refrigerator here. There we go. Oh my God, you guys, we're sitting here getting ready and I'm flipping through the TV. They have the in-room dining on the TV. So you can kind of see what the menu is. Pizzas, gourmet pies, which I guess is flatbreads. And you can order any of this stuff, breakfast, lunch, snacks, whatever, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, here we go. Sandwiches and burgers, Philly cheesesteaks, chicken sandwich, a triple decker club, burgers. I don't know, it's 3 different kinds of burgers on here. And then what else they got? The prices are about average for room service food. Entrees, you got New York strip, filet mignon, salmon, chicken and broccoli Alfredo. And your sides are French fries, fingerling. Look at this long hallway. It's like an illusion. We are headed to dinner, so I will show you that when we get there. Hell's Kitchen. I love this entrance. Look how beautiful. So we're gonna go in, check out their food. Oh, there's the man himself. These are all the chefs, I guess, that were on Hell's Kitchen. Wow. Hi. Oh, yeah, look at that open kitchen. Thank you. Oh my gosh. We got the Wagyu meatballs. That plate is very hot. I'm gonna grab the one in the middle. Alright, so I got the 7-ounce filet with the truffle. I got a potato puree. He's got the short rib, and look how beautiful this looks. Like, amazing. Look at this fancy Dunkin' Donuts. It's got like taps for cold brews and stuff. Guys, look at that sunset. How pretty is that? We're coming back down the escalator. Gonna look at some slot machines after dinner. It's pretty quiet here today. Still a little light out. So I've been playing this game, and then all of a sudden this happened, and it's been going on like 5 minutes. They called an attendant, but no one showed up yet. So I don't know have you ever seen this before? It's just spinning and nothing's happening. This is like a 25-cent one. Weird, right? Good morning, everybody. I am going down to get some coffee. I got a lot of sun, yesterday. Oh. I'm gonna walk around and show you guys a little bit of the casino. So here we go. All right, there's a lot of copyright music, so I'm gonna try and talk over it. And the music is literally everywhere. So this is Guy's Kitchen here. They have good food. We eat here a few times. They open at noon. It's pretty good. They have a menu over here. The trash can nachos are like their big thing, and they have fried chicken and all sorts of ribs and steaks and yummy stuff. You see up here, it's a cool view. Here's the Dunkin' we were at last night. Gonna get a big line there. And over here is where Hell's Kitchen is. Oh, and this is David Burke's. Look at all this wine. Downstairs. We'll take a ride down there in a minute. Look at all these wines though. Oh my gosh. David Burke's Steakhouse down there. Wait, where's the escalators? Let's go down there real quick. They do have a Tanger Outlets in here also. And all these places, like, you don't have to go outside. The escalator's open. Oh, let's see. I haven't been down here in like forever. Woo! Yeah, so here's David Burke's Steakhouse. Very expensive, but very good. I think we went here for dinner a few years ago. It's pretty neat. Oh, an Italian Caputo's. This is new. I don't remember this being here. Italian. I guess they serve breakfast too. So here's a kind of a look at their dry aged steaks. Look at these things. 30s. Oh my gosh. What is this? It's a ribeye, I think. And then all these other steaks here. Here's kind of a view of the menu. So you can kind of see it's a little on the expensive side, but very, very good food. So Caputo's has breakfast, a breakfast buffet, and they have steaks and eggs, breakfast sides, cocktails. And this is closed right now, but this is where they have pool tables and even bowling alleys in here. I don't think you can see inside it, but it's back in there. It's early in the morning, so it's not open yet. And I guess this is like that's part, I think, all part of it over there. Oh, and Caputo's breakfast buffet is $26.95 from 7 a.m. to noon. All right, so now we're back upstairs. There's Hell's Kitchen where we ate last night. I don't think I gave a review yet on the food. I'll do that after I give you guys a little tour of the rest of this. And there I am. Hello. Over here you have Wahlburgers, like Mark Wahlberg's brother has a restaurant. famous for their hamburgers and milkshakes. Over here we have the Sugar Factory, known for all their different drinks, and you have all these famous people that have come here. So look at all these crazy concoctions. I don't know if you can see that. Here's a DraftKings Sportsbook. I guess you can bet on races and stuff. That's pretty big. Here's the Scorpion Bar. We've never been in here, but it looks really cool inside. A tequila, like a Mexican type place. Over here they have California Pizza Kitchen. Good pizzas from California Pizza. You can kind of see their pizzas here. And we have Cedar Steakhouse Steaks and Oysters. You know, we had, I think, oh wait, is it open? No, wait, hold on a second. So you can kind of see it here. It's not like a steakhouse like you would think. Like, it's not like David Burke's. Like, it's a little less than David Burke's. Oh, look at this guy. That's cool. Oh, Sprinkletown, donuts and ice cream. Oh my goodness. Yum. And then they have like a little food court area. Wingstop, Regina Pizza, Subway. I think Wingstop's new. I don't remember that being there. And a little daiquiri bar. And they could do frosés. That's pretty neat. They got a little waterfall over here. This is, if you don't know what Foxwoods is, it is owned by the Mashantucket Pequot tribe. So that's why Connecticut's allowed to have a casino, because it's on Indian territory. So we also have Mohegan Sun, which is not too far. So yeah, this is an XD dark ride. Look at that. So they are building a Great Wolf Lodge, which is a indoor water park for kids. But I think, as you can see over here, this is where it's going to be. Hang on. Let me see if I could zoom in here. You can kind of see this big slide coming out of the building there. That's Great Wolf Lodge. I think that's opening in 2025. So keep an eye out for that. And it's totally separate from the casinos, so you don't have, I guess, a bunch of kids running around in a casino. Well, there was a bakery here. It looks like it closed. There's not much in this area. It's changed a lot since I was last here. This was like all open. They got a cool statue. He's shooting up to the stars, I think. A live atrium bar lounge area, and I think they have live music. Probably on the weekends. There's a stage over there. And this is their brand new bingo hall. I'll show you when we get closer. It's ginormous. Hang on. Another water feature over here. All waterfall wishing well proceeds are collected for the benefit of our museum and research center. That's nice. That's a bingo hall. Like, look how ginormous it is. And then we have, let's see. Oh, we have the Hard Rock Cafe down here. So it's closed right now, but we've had lunch here a few times. It's very delicious. It's like any Hard Rock, really. It's been here forever. Let's see, we got Richie Sambora's outfit from Bon Jovi. There we go. Lita Ford. Oh, look at that. She's tiny. Here is Usher's jacket. These things are all signed by everybody. Slipknot. That's a little creepy. Oh my God, look at his guitar. It's like crazy beaten up. And this is Britney Spears' outfit. And here's like a little bit of the menu. Their chicken sandwich. Oh my God. I mean, the burgers are good too, but their chicken sandwich, the fried chicken sandwich is delicious. Nachos look good too. And then who's over here? Chris Isaac outfit. And we have Madonna. What are they? Like a size 0? Oh my goodness. This is John, from The Who, John Entwistle or something like that. So there's that. Dan Vickery from Counting Crows. And we have over here, who's this? Tom Kiefer from Cinderella. This is Steven Van Zandt's outfit from Bruce Springsteen, and also he was in Sopranos. He's tiny too. Hey guys, present day me here. As usual, I forgot to film an outro, so here I am. I forgot also to do my food review on Hell's Kitchen. So I would definitely give it an A+ in service, in the restaurant itself. It's a beautiful restaurant. Our waitress was wonderful, and the only negative I would give it is I ordered a 7-ounce filet medium, and it came out medium rare. So I showed the waitress. I told her, don't go make me a new one. I'll eat around it, whatever, you know. And they took it off the bill. So I wasn't expecting that, and that was very nice of them, and they apologized profusely. So, yeah, they were very surprised that it didn't come out right. So, and I we have high expectations for that restaurant. It's Gordon Ramsay. I mean, he, expects perfection in his workers. So, all in all, it was very good. The Wagyu meatballs were amazing. My husband's short ribs were amazing. I had a little bit of that. And everything, the mashed potatoes were great. It happens sometimes. You just undercook the meat, or it doesn't cook to your specification. And I really, if it was well done, I would have eaten it, but it was almost like raw. And I wasn't going to chance it. So other than that, we had a great experience. Like I said, everyone was wonderful. And the rest of the day or the night was great. And the next morning, we just kind of got some coffee. I showed you guys around. And then we checked out and went home. So I'm so glad you guys joined us. Definitely check out the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Have a good day.